Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Havells Fabio 1250W steam iron. There's an image of the steam iron right on top. This is the blue and white variant, as you can see. This particular steam iron is capable of ejecting 10 grams per minute of powerful steam. It comes with a 1250W motor, as I mentioned, it's written over here. It also has a 110 milliliter tank, water tank. So this is the water tank, the translucent area. I will show you. This particular steam iron is good for horizontal steam and vertical steam, and it also comes with 2 years of product warranty. Furthermore, it's also ISI certified. More or less the same information here. That's more or less it. I'll open this box and show you what's inside. So first up, we have the operating instructions for the steam iron, the Fabio steam iron. This runs on 230 volts, which is pretty standard for most households. It has a lot of information, important instructions, do's and don'ts, first time ironing, dry ironing, wet ironing, also warranty terms and conditions. It's an important document. You should not lose this. What's next? So now let's take a look at the steam iron. Okay, so there we go. We have a measuring jug over here. So this is the measuring jug. This is the water jug basically that you use to pour water in the water tank over here. This also has a marker. It says 100 milliliter. This is the Havells Fabio 1250W steam iron. Notice that this part, the translucent part, is basically your water tank. You pour water through this inlet over here, and once you've poured it, fill it with water, you can then choose whether to use it as steam or use the water jet functionality. There are two buttons for the same. One is for water jet and the other is, this is for water jet and this is for steam. Outside this you have your standard ironing settings. This is the part where you control temperature and different fabric presets as well. And there's also an indicator right over here, the iron indicator, which will switch off once, and that's when you will know that this iron is ready to be used. Underneath we have this ceramic shoe plate. It also comes with a pointed end. This is good for navigating tricky areas as well. And these are the nozzles through which steam will come out. Speaking of nozzles, there is an extra nozzle over here. This is basically for spraying water. You'll notice that when I press this button, there's a sound you'll hear. I don't know if you can hear this. So yeah, there you go. Finally, we have a braided cable. This is nearly a meter long braided cable with a 3-pin jack on one end. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Havells Fabio 1250W steam iron. Thank you for watching.